Hi guys, and welcome to Swansway Citroen in Chester. My name is Dan, and this incredible little car here is the C3 Feel Nav Edition. This has got just under 7,000 miles on and comes with a full service history from the dealership, and is in cumulus grey with a black roof. So with this you also get the black 16-inch diamond cut alloys, as well as the electric folding wing mirrors. And I'll just take you around this car to the back, where you do have the rear parking sensors, and I'll just show you inside the boot as well, where it is on a 60-40 split. And you've got the spare wheel and all the tools there should you ever need them as well. So just taking you into the back of the car. It is a bench style rear seat with full Isofix points, and it does come in the red urban finish as well. You've also got a central cup holder there and the rear pockets in the front seats too. So just inside the vehicle on the driver's door, you've got the full window buttons there, as well as a lock button, and you've got the active lane departure and easy access child lock there as well. Another great feature for this family based car. So again, just show you there, it has done just under 7,000 miles. The interior mirror is auto dimming, and you've got the 7-inch touchscreen display here as well. This does everything from your sat nav, DAB digital radio, and air conditioning, which is also automatic. And you've also got down here the USB and auxiliary in for linking your phone to the vehicle. It also comes with automatic lights and automatic wipers, and once you have linked your phone to the car, it's easy access from the steering wheel to use your telephone and go through all the functions as well, and voice activation for the main touchscreen display. The urban red finish does continue through the dash, as you can see here. Just add a little bit more character to this amazing car. You've also got the fabric strap handles there too. It is a 5-speed gearbox, and I'll quickly run you through some of the features via the shortcut buttons here as well. So it does come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the DAB digital radio is full touch as well, so you can look via your band, or you can go through the actual list itself and pick what channels best suit you. So this car does also come with 12 months warranty, and if you'd like any more information on this vehicle, again, my name is Dan, give me a call on 01244 311 404, or pop down to Bumpers Lane, Swansway Citroen. Postcode is CH1 4LT. Thank you very much.